If you want to add apps to your Whop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can install the right app, connect it to the right products, and start building out your Whop exactly the way you want. This is a great way to add features like chat, forums, courses, and more, all inside your Whop dashboard. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open your seller dashboard. When you land on your home feed, take a look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is where all of your main tools and settings are located. From there, click Dashboard to switch over to your Merchant panel. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're in the right place to start adding new apps to your Whop. Now that you're in the Whop dashboard, look at the left-hand menu again and find the Admin area. This section is where you manage the structure and functionality of your Whop. To continue, click the Add App button. This will open the integrated Whop App Store, where you can browse all of the available tools and features you can install. Inside the App Store, you'll see a variety of categories to help you find the right app faster. You may notice sections like Social, Learn, or Business and Productivity. These categories make it easier to narrow down the kind of feature you want to add. For example, if you want community engagement, you might choose Chat or Forums. If you want to deliver educational content, Courses could be the better choice. Take a moment to browse through the options and think about what fits your product best. When you find the app you want, click the Add button next to it. That's what installs the app into your Whop setup. Once you do that, Whop will move you to the next important step, which is managing product access. This part is really important because it controls exactly who gets access to the app feature. A prompt will appear asking you to select which of your store products should unlock this new app. In other words, you're telling Whop which products are allowed to use the feature you just added. Select the applicable products carefully, then click Save to lock it in. This makes sure the app is tied to the correct offer, membership, or access level inside your store. After you save it, the new app will instantly appear in the left-hand column of your Whop under your active app menu list. That means the app is now live in your dashboard and ready to manage. From here, you can click on the app anytime and choose Configure Settings. This is where you can build out the feature exactly how you want it, whether that means adjusting permissions, changing layout options, or customizing how members interact with it. And that's it. You've now added an app to your Whop, connected it to the right products, and made it available inside your dashboard. This is a simple process once you know where everything is, but it can make a huge difference in how professional and functional your Whop feels. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.